In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent emails in Yahoo Mail on your computer. Let's dive right into simplify and streamline your email management process. First off, we need to access your Yahoo Mail account. To do this, start by heading over to the Yahoo login page, where you'll see a prompt asking for your Yahoo email address. Carefully input your email address in the provided field, making sure to double-check for any typos. Once you have entered your email, click on the Next button, which will guide you to the password entry phase. This is an important step to gain access to your Yahoo account, so ensure you accurately type in your Yahoo email password. After entering your password, hit Next again. This should take you straight to your Yahoo Mail dashboard. Once you're all logged in, you should be able to see the main interface of Yahoo Mail with no trouble. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel on your screen and locate the Sent folder. It's usually displayed prominently, as it contains all the emails you've sent from your account. Click on the Sent folder, and here lies the spot where we'll be taking action today. Inside your Sent folder, take a moment to browse through the emails to identify the ones you'd like to delete. Noticeably, there are checkboxes next to each email, your handy tool for selecting messages. If you want to delete multiple emails at once, simply click on the checkboxes next to each email you wish to remove. These selections will prepare the emails for deletion, ensuring you have control over which messages to retain. With your chosen unwanted messages marked, focus your gaze towards the top of the page. Here, you'll discover various icons, including the crucial delete icon, typically shaped like a trash can. Once found, click on this delete icon to kickstart the removal of those selected emails. At this point, Yahoo might offer you a confirmation prompt, asking if you're certain about wanting to delete these emails. This is a thoughtful safety check to prevent any accidental deletions of important emails. If prompted, you can simply click OK to confirm your decision. And just like that, you've successfully deleted messages from your Sent folder in Yahoo Mail. This straightforward process not only empowers you to manage your outgoing emails but also helps maintain a clutter-free account. It's always wise to be judicious about keeping and deleting emails, ensuring your digital space remains organized. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful in managing your Yahoo Mail account more effectively.